problem? Yeah, you like something.
It's you. You're musty.
Have you or a loved one ever been called stank, funky, or worst of all, musty? Well, then how about you try this new product we have developed called deodorant? Deodorant is a fast-acting product that works 72 hours around the clock to get rid of sweat and smells. It can have your shirts going from this to this in a matter of seconds. Don't be that person nobody wants to sit around because they're musty and they stink. Buy deodorant today for only $9 and get one for free. I mean, just look at the results. It'll have you smelling fresh and feeling clean. If you're not sold, just listen to the satisfied customer has to say about deodorant. Thanks, deodorant, for helping me not be musty. So buy deodorant today because you, yes you, need it.